So today in this video, I would like to share how we can control two servo motor using one proximity sensor. So my proximity sensor, the working voltage is a 5 volt and detection range is 80 cm, which is less than 1 meter, and you can adjust the detection range from here. So we have to be careful that the working voltage, your sensor is working at 5 volt, so we have to give 5 volt to the sensor. And there's two servo motor, I'm using different motor, and both of the servo is working at 5 volt. So I use one power supply, which is all the 5 volt. And this sensor, they have a 3 wire. The first wire, blue, is negative, and brown is positive, and black is signal. So we have to be very careful about the coloring of the wire, and we must not mistake in the polarity. And so the servo motor, brown, this motor, brown is negative, red is positive, and orange, this is for the signal. And this motor, black is negative, red is positive, and white is the signal. So I'm going to use Arduino Uno here. I'm going to connect. So from the sensor signal, we have to give the signal to go into digital pin number 1. Right? You can use any pins, but this must be matched inside your code. And from one servo motor signal, we connect to digital pin number 2. And the second servo motor, we connect to digital pin number 3. Right, so here the sensor is all connected, and the power, I'm going to use the power from here, Arduino 5 volt. 5 volt, we connect to a breadboard positive, and the ground we connect to breadboard negative. So the wiring is complete. Now this time to upload the code, right? And let me upload the code. So I'm going to upload the code here, and this is my code that according to your sensor input and output, you must be very careful for the pins here. So my sensor pin is pin number 1, servo 1 is 2, servo 2 is 3, and this, okay, you just check it out, all the code, and try to upload the code now. Alright, so the code is already uploaded, and let me try to detect with something, object. This is the sensor, servo motor. My servo motor is work, but one servo is didn't move. But I can hear that there's the sounds here, but the thing is didn't move. You know, this is because the current from Arduino is not enough to move the servo motor. So what we can do is we need to give a different power supply, different power source, which must be 5 volt. So I'm going to use this from here, negative, positive. So you must give 5 volt extra power supply, then only your servo motor will be moved. So let's detect the object here. So sometimes the servo didn't move because of the current from Arduino is not enough to move the servo. By the times the servo will not move, but some of the servo will move because of their taking less current. especially the small servo motor will not have any issue, but the big size of the servo, they will not move because they take much more a large current than the small one. So this is the reason that why we have to give a separate power supply. So I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching.